Good morning, boys and girls. I hope y'all are having a very happy Monday. I'm so excited to start summer school with y'all. So let's get started. Today we're going to be practicing our sounds. So you can come and watch this video every day and it'll help you practice your sounds and it'll help you with your worksheets. So let's get started. First sound, you're going to say them with me. Get ready? T. Here we have a picture of a talking tomato. These are words that start with the T sound. Next sound, get ready. S. Here we have some super sticky slime. Next sound, get ready. Ah. Here we have animals that are astronauts. So cool. Next sound, get ready. Here we see thumbs. Let's count how many thumbs we see. 1, 2, 3. 3 thumbs. Next sound. Get ready. E. Here we see a picture of an eel eating ice cream. Next sound. Get ready. Mm. Here we see a magical mermaid. Next sound. Get ready. D. Here we see a picture of a dancing dinosaur. This dinosaur looks like a ballerina. Next sound. Get ready. E. Here we see a picture of an inchworm, and the inchworm is measuring to the height of 1 inch. Next sound. Get ready. K. Here we see a picture of a very cool cat. Next sound. Get ready. N. Here we see a picture of a very nice ninja. Next sound. Get ready. Here we have a picture of a frog eating French fries. Next sound. Get ready. Here we see a picture of a robot jumping rope with a rainbow, or a rainbow jump rope. How fun. Next sound. Get ready. Here we see a picture of an umbrella. Umbrella. Next sound. Get ready. Aw. Here we have a picture of an octopus eating olives. Next sound. Get ready. Here we see a picture of a horse eating hay. Next sound. Get ready. Here's a picture of a walrus eating watermelon. Next sound. Get ready. G. Here we have a picture of a ghost eating some grapes. Last sound. Get ready. L. Here we have a picture of a lion licking a lollipop. That lollipop looks delicious. That's all the sounds for today, and as we're learning new sounds, I will be adding a new video. I'll see y'all later. I hope you all have a fantastic first day of summer school. Bye.